Hello friend, this is from Carvel Machinery Technology Company in China. Here it is a new finished 50 liters model Planetary mixer for aircraft client. For this mixer, it is used to mix the material rocket propellant material. Some material like high viscous resin, very high viscous. For the whole mixer set, we make it explosion-proof type, both for the motors part and the electricity part, as well as the cables for the all unit. For the motors part, we use Siemens brand motor and hard-tooth phase reducer. And for the mixing cylinder part and the top cover, we use stainless steel 316 and the mirror polish both inside and outside. This is a combination for the mixing part as well as hydraulic discharging part. A combination shared one base. Also equipped a vacuum system for it. This is a mixing chamber. This is a pressing head. Now the mixer has been connected with the electricity power. Let's focus on the panel first. Voltmeter, ammeter, temperature display for the jacket and inside the chamber. Two inverters, one for the high-speed part, another for the low-speed part, stirring part. This is the buttons for the dispersion, start, stop. For the stirring, start, stop. For the whole top part, lift and down. For the vacuum system, open, close. Emergency stop button. This is a light on the top cover. Now, I release the emergency stop button. Let's focus on the top cover. We equipped powder material feeding part. Two windows, one with light and another for check for the inside situation. Vacuum release valve and connect valve. Liquid material feeding valve. Okay, now I make it rest. We can see by the hydraulic system, the whole top part lifted now. And then we can see the inner structure for the blade part. Okay, once the top part raised to a certain level, we equipped a limit switch and it will stop. Now we can see the inside structure. For this unit, we adopt multi-layers type blades for this, and one shaft for the high-speed dispersion with two dispersion discs. Also equipped a scrubber, and it will help the material leave from the inner wall. Okay, after mixed, the tank would be transferred to the material discharging position. We can see that we equipped wheels and the channel. Now I would like to make a simple test for the mixing function first. Start. We can control the speed here. After set, the speed would be displayed on the inverter panel. What I would like to see is that in this position, once the top part lifted and not closed with the tank, the high-speed shaft would not work. This is for the safety consideration. In this way, material would be mixed well. We can see that for this planetary mixer, it has rotation and revolution, a combination mixing system. Okay, now speed up. Max speed. Maxed speed. Revolution speed 15. In this way, high viscous material would be mixed well evenly. Okay, I stop it. And then I would like to close the lid and tank. Make it down. Okay, in this case, I can drive with the high speed part and the low speed part, okay? Make a half speed, 25. Okay, and we start the high speed dispersion part. Also we test nearly half speed. Okay, and then we can check this at the situation wire, this window. Okay, now we can see that the high-speed shaft work. It will help to dispersing the material. Working stable, and then I make it max speed. And stirring max speed 1500, 15. High shaft speed, revolution speed. Let's take a look to see it working stable. Hydraulic system, vacuum system, low speed driving system, and inside a high speed driving system. Working stable, no problem. Now I stop them and I lift it again. Okay, in this way, after material mixed, the tank would be transferred to the discharging position here. I would like to see like this. We can move it easily. We also set a limit position here. In this way, the pressing plate would be drive to help the material discharging out from this wall. Okay, I would like to test it. This is the separate control, like this. You can see that with the drive of the hydraulic station, the plate It's working. In this way, material comes from the tank. Also, this is a gear out part. Also equipped the valve. So just a simple test and display for the basic mixing function, material discharging function for this video. Next video, I would like to test the performance of the vacuum system 08. This is from Planetary Technology Company in China. See you later.